Welcome to Maxi Maxi channel.
Hello mga fish! How are you? How are you? Hehe. How are you, koi fish? Everyone, happy Sunday! Nandito po ako sa fish tank ng aking anak. Yan, mga alaga niya po yung mga koi fish na yan. Bigay po yan ng kanyang tito at kanyang inalagaan talaga. Lisa niya itong fish tank niya. He will change the water para malinis. So, sabi ko, papakita ko sa inyo how he take care of his fishes. Meron pa siyang binababad niya yan sa methylene blue para mas healthy yung kanyang mga isda. Ito po ay methylene blue. Ito ay hinahalo niya sa tubig. May tamang measurement po para dito. Tapos binababad niya doon yung isda for a few minutes. Then bago niya ibabalik dito sa fish tank. Yan. What is the use of methylene blue to the koi fish? What is the use of methylene blue to the koi fish? So, it says here, it treats white spot, skin and gill flux, funguses, velvet, and most other external parasites. Ito po ay stress coat, makes tap water safe. Removes chlorine and chloramines, detoxifies heavy metals, protect fish, the healing power of aloe vera, proven to reduce fish stress, replaces slime coat. Yan. Ang benefits nito, it will make tap water safe for fish. So, sa tap water, diretso na dito, tapos, mapatakan na lang dito, then it's safe na para sa fish. Wala na siyang chlorine. When to use? When setting up an aquarium, adding or changing water, when adding new fish, or when fish are damaged by injury or disease. Yun, gagamitin. Ito naman, direction. Use dosing cup on bottle. Ito na yan. Itong cup. Add 5 ml per 10 US gallons, 38 liters of aquarium water. Double the dose to replace slime coat and to repair damaged skin and fins. Yan. Sinusunod ni anak ko yung yung directions ng dosage para dito sa kanyang tubig. Tip, use stress coat water conditioner together with Api-Stress Zyme bacterial cleaner to assure good water quality and a healthy, clean aquatic environment. Yun. Talagang mahal naman niya yung kanyang mga isda na alagaan niya. Hi fish! How are you? By the way, ito yung stress reliever na aking anak. Pag galing sa school, galing siya sa school, pre-short siguro. Umuupo lang siya dito. Then, tinitingnan niya yung kanyang mga isda. And, lahat po yan, bawat isa po yan ay may mga pangalan. Ito ay lalaki yan. Malalaman po pala natin if the fish are male or female based on their fins. Yeah. Pag yung fins ng fish is like that, yung mahaba and beautiful, It means daw the fish are boy, male, because they use their fins to attract female fish. Yeah. Itong water lettuce pala, mabilis silang dumami dito. It started with 2 like this. Ganito lang kadami yung, dalawang ganito yung nilagay namin dito. Dalawang ganito. Sa simula, dalawang ganito lang nilagay namin. And then now, it multiplies a lot. Look, ganyan na siya kadami. Sobrang dami. Halos mapuno na yung bathtub. Itong bathtub po pala na ginamit namin is paliguan talaga to. Ginawa na lang fish tank. Ayan sila. Maliwanag yan. Hello. Yan sila mag-best friend talaga silang dalawa. Lagi yan silang magkadikit kasi sila yung unang dumating dito. Yung unang dala ng tito niya, binigay mo. Yan silang dalawa. Just only 1 pair. 1 male and 1 female. Yan silang dalawa. Lagi talaga silang magkadikit. Yan silang dalawa. Ito at saka itong female. Yan. Lagi yan silang magkadikit kasi sila ang best friend since they came first here. Yeah. And then next yung next batch na dinala ng tito niya, yan na yun. 6 lahat yung pangalawang batch na dinala ng tito niya. 4 na malalaki, 2 maliliit. That's why they are all 8. 8 na sila lahat. Yan, yung dalawang maliit to. Asan na yun?
Dalawang maliit, mag-iino na ba yan to?
Lipat mo na ya. Lipat mo na. Okay, ngayon guys ay nagdilinis na yung aking anak ng kanyang fish tank at i-reveal na niya sa atin ang pangalan ng kanyang mga koi fish.
This one is orange butterfly.
Orange butterfly.
That's black. It's a black one.
Butterfly. Orange.
Goldie.
This is Goldie. This is Big Orange, Big Daddy. It's a male fish.
What did you say?
Big Daddy's there, Big Orange. This little one is Coco. It's Coco. Okay. And ano is that, anak?
Mrs. Salmon. Mrs. Salmon.
This is Mrs. Salmon.
No, Mrs.
It's a female fish, Mrs. Salmon.
I body.
Mrs. Salmon
Just a little
is
check.
back in the water.
Just a little check. Just a little check.
Is she okay? Is she okay?
Yeah.
So, ibaba mo lang. Ibaba mo. What's the name of this?
Raw chicken.
Meat raw chicken. Because look at the color. So
Calm
I
down,
have
bro.
raw chicken. Chicken is back in the water.
If you stress him out so much, he's not gonna be sick, bro. Means her. Oh yeah, him.
Him, because that's male.
Dam yun sana. He's very tamlay.
Di man, kayo na malikot yan.
Look at his fins, they're white dots, and please look at that one, oh, red. It's falling out. This
Is,
guy's a fancy fish.
this one is kind of fancy fish and meat, what is his name?
Mr.
Salmon. This is Mr. Salmon, a male fish.
Now it's calling.
Okay. Mr. Salmonella, Salmon. Mr. Salmon
The
is
end
back
of his
in the
fin
water.
is like the end of his.
Ayan, newly changed na ang water sa fish tank at napatakan na rin ng stress coat plus ang water tap chlorine removal natin para sa ating mga fish. At ngayon, ilalagyan na naman natin ng Salt. Bakit nga po ba maglalagay tayo ng salt sa ating koi fish? Dito po malalaman natin kung bakit kailangan ng ating mga koi fish ng asin. What is the benefits of salt sa ating mga koi fish or fish pond? Why koi fish need salt? It says salt does a fantastic job to handle bacteria and parasites in a koi's body. It also balances osmotic pressure when a koi is sick or stressed to help the koi better recover. Okay, ang koi fish ay nangailangan ng asin kasi kung walang asin, sila ay madaling magkasakit. Ayun guys, our video is almost done. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you sa inyong panunood. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan sa ating video about how to take care of koi fish. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and pakihit na rin ang notification bell at like button. Thank you and see you all to my next video.